Hello, this is Chelsea Darnell-Jong, and the purpose of this video is to go through a quick overview of the Project Assistant screen in ENERCALC. When you open and activate ENERCALC, you'll find yourself here on the Project Assistant screen. This is where you can either open an existing project or create a new one. If you're working on an existing project, you have a few options. You can use the Quick Access buttons to reopen the last project you worked on or the last calculation you worked on. You can browse the recent project lists, which you can sort by recently used or alphabetical. You can also refresh this project list and clean up this view by removing projects from the list. And if the project you need isn't listed, you can browse your computer to open a different local file. And to start a new project, you can either create a new project file from scratch or clone an existing project to use as a starting point. At the top, you'll notice that we have two main tabs, Local Computer and Hosted Cloud Storage. The Local Computer tab shows projects stored on your computer, VPN, or Office network. The Hosted Cloud Storage tab lists projects stored in Amazon Web Services through ENERCALC. These projects behave just like local ones, but with the added benefit of being accessible from your web browser using ENERCALC Cloud. You can also upload projects from your local computer to the cloud or download cloud projects to your local storage right from the Project Assistant screen. Some additional features to highlight on this screen include the ability to create new hosted cloud storage projects, either from scratch or by cloning an existing project file. You can also delete a project or archive it, which moves it to the Archived tab to help keep your project list organized. Another useful function is the ability to manually remove the in-use status from a cloud project. This can come in handy if your computer loses connection with the cloud version and you need to release the file for access. You can also rename any cloud project directly from this screen. Lastly, let's talk about the Quick Calc button. This feature lets you run a one-time calculation using an ENERCALC module without needing to open or create a project file. It's perfect for quick back-of-the-napkin calculations, but keep in mind these calculations are temporary and cannot be saved or shared. And that's a quick look at the Project Assistant screen. If you have any questions, you can always email support@enercalc.com and we'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching and have a great day.